In the dance of politics, two partners often take the floor, the left wing and the right wing. But what do these terms mean, especially in the context of Indian politics? The left wing usually advocates for social equality, often pushing for reformative actions and policies. They tend to support workers' rights, progressive taxation and social programs. On the other hand, the right wing leans towards upholding tradition and social order. They often champion free market capitalism, limited government intervention, and nationalistic ideals. These terms originated from the French Revolution, where the revolutionaries sat on the left in parliament and the supporters of the king on the right. In India, left and right-wing politics weave a complex tapestry intertwined with the country's rich history, diverse cultures, and ever-evolving socio-economic landscape. Remember, these ideologies aren't rigid boxes, but fluid spectrums. Politics is not a battleground, but a dialogue. It's about understanding, not overpowering. So keep learning, keep questioning. Until the next short, farewell.